How to fix TikTok not opening. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with TikTok not opening, here are the solutions to fix it. First and foremost, check for the internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. Slow internet is a common reason TikTok might not open. So once that is done, you also have to clear the cache for the app. Head over to your TikTok and long press it. Tap on app info and then on storage and cache. After that, you have to clear the cache and clear the storage as well. If you are in iOS devices, head over to the iPhone storage, scroll down to TikTok, tap on it, and then select offload app. After that, confirm it and reinstall app. However, if offloading or clearing the cache does not work, make sure you have given all the necessary permissions required for TikTok as well. For this, you just have to tap on it and allow the permissions. Additionally, if TikTok still does not open, you can update the app or reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. If it still does not open, try using a VPN to bypass any regional or network restriction. If the issue is from TikTok due to server maintenance, you'll have to wait for a few hours and try again later. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.